Wow, guys, this is Captain America. Wow, guys, Captain America is a very powerful superhero. Wow, guys, Captain America face is very movable. Wow. Wow, guys, what is this? Wow, guys, this is Batman. Wow, wow, guys, this is Iron Man. Wow, guys, this Iron Man announced will fight with the Hulk. Yo, 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 yo. Thor, 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 Thor. Yo, yo, Thor, Thor, yo, 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 yo. Wow. Guys, Iron Man and Hulk, two sides with winning the fight. Yo, yo, Thor, Thor. Wow. Wow, guys, what is this? Guys, this is Superman. Wow. Wow. Guys, this is Thanos. Wow, guys, what is this? Guys, this is Spiderman. Wow, guys, nice and grateful superhero. Wow. Wow, guys, Captain America will fight with the Superman. Yo, yo, to, to, to. Yo, 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 to, to, yo, to, 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 to. Wow, guys, Captain America winning this amazing and interesting fight.